Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a free and easy way that you can use to mine free cryptocurrencies for free from the comfort of your home wherever you are, using any devices of your choice. So if this is what you find interesting, kindly click on the subscribe button of this channel, like and share this video to your friends and families on social media so that they can also benefit from it. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. So let's proceed to the video. The website I'll be introducing to you today is called the FireFaucet. Now I'll be leaving the link of this website on the description of this video so that you can click on it and sign up and get started. So once you sign up on the FireFaucet and create your account, verify your email from your Gmail and click on the link sent to you to verify. As soon as your account is verified, it's going to take you over to this dashboard. Now this is the dashboard of the FireFaucet. When you get over to the dashboard, what are you going to do? The first thing you're going to do is come over to the daily bonus. You can see this daily bonus icon right here. Click on that gift box. As soon as you click on the gift box, it's going to take you over to the daily bonus captcha. Now this is the captcha to confirm the daily bonus. Now every 24 hours you will be given a daily bonus to claim access tokens. Okay, so this ACP you are claiming is for 24 hours. So don't forget to click on the daily bonus gift box and collect your bonuses. Now click on this captcha to solve that you are not a human and solve whatever captcha you are being given and click on verify. As soon as you click on that, come over here and click on claim my reward. As soon as you click on claim my reward, you'll be rewarded with auto claim points. Okay, this auto claim points is what you are going to use to mine free cryptocurrencies. You can see that 7 days in a row plus 1, making it 8 days on this platform, and I have got 7 activity points and 10 fuel. Now let me explain the fuel. The fuel is what you use to mine the machine. The activity points are what you use to level up your account. The ACP are what you use to convert into cryptocurrencies for free. So let's go over back to the dashboard. Now we're back at the dashboard. You can see this my auto claim points, which is the ACP, and I have gotten 130 ACP right now. So how do we get more of this ACP? You scroll down here, you're going to see the 30 minutes faucet. Click on the faucet. It's going to take you over to the faucet page. Now it says here that you can claim ACP every 30 minutes, and every 30 minutes claim gives you different rewards. So come here now, which says I'm not a robot, and click on the captcha. As soon as you verify the captcha, click on claim my ACP, and you are going to be given some amount of ACP, activity points, and fuel that you can use to mine. Come down and click on back to dashboard. Now we are back on our dashboard, and you can see my ACP balance is now increased to 189. So let's scroll down. I'll show you another way to earn. Another way you can get your ACP is by clicking on this PTC ads. Now these are paid to click adverts. Click on it. It's going to take you over to the advert page. Now this is the paid to click advert page. Scroll down and you are going to see different advertisements that you can view. Now you can view this advert for 8 seconds and you'll be given 60 ACP. So click on this view advert. It's going to take you over to the advertisement website. Now this is the advertisement website. Wait for the timer to count down to 0. As soon as it gets to 0, it's going to give you a human verification code. Input that code from your system or whatever devices you are using, exactly as you are seeing it on the screen. As soon as you've done that, click on submit, and as you submit that code, it's going to give you your access points. Now go back to your account. You can see that your auto claim points have been added to your account. You can scroll down and select another ad to view. It's going to take you over to the view page ad. Just wait for the countdown to go over to 0. As soon as the countdown ends, just wait for whatever captcha is being given or whatever verification is being asked of you. As soon as you verify this, you are going to click on submit and you are going to get your free ACP. This is just one of the ways to get free ACP, and also one of the unlimited ways to get free ACP. And you can use this ACP to mine free cryptocurrencies. Without this ACP, you cannot mine these cryptocurrencies at all. So this is very important for you. Make sure you click on all of this and view all of these websites for 8 seconds and get all of this ACP. Then go back to the platform and you're going to see your balance. Now there are a lot of adverts you can choose from, so I'm just going to go over to the dashboard and continue with the rest of the video while explaining the feature. Now you already know how to come over to the daily bonus and collect bonuses, and now you know how to collect the faucet every 30 minutes, and now you know the PTC adverts you can use. Now let me show you the task. Come over here and click on task. Now every day you can complete task, and all of these tasks gives you great rewards. Now you can see there are different tasks here that you can complete every day as you use the website. Look over here, it says claim the faucet 3 times. I have claimed it 1 time. If I claimed it 2 extra times, I'm going to be rewarded with this. I can come over here and click on the claim button and claim whatever reward that is here. So that's just how the task works. Let's go back to the dashboard. Now on the dashboard, I'm going to show you how you can start your mining. Let's scroll down. You can come over here where you see the auto claim, and you can see my fuel. I have full tank. My full tank I can use to mine free cryptocurrencies, all for free, from the comfort of my home or wherever I am, from anywhere with any device. Now scroll down, you can see different various cryptocurrencies that you can start to mine from. I selected these 4 cryptocurrencies, the USDT. To select a crypto, click on it to select. So I selected this one. I selected the dog. I selected the TRS and the 𝐷𝐿. So these 4 cryptocurrencies are the ones I selected. As soon as you select that, come over here to the payout boost. Now the payout boost is what you use to mine your cryptocurrency. It depends on how fast you want the machine to run. So if you come over here to ×1, it's going to mine slow, but it's going to cost you just very little ACP, and it's also going to give you more level up activity points that you can use to level up. So if you click on the normal, it's going to increase the ACP and it's going to mine for the given amount of time given. If you click on fast, it's going to cost 12 and it's going to mine for the given amount for you. If you click on turbo, this is the fastest miner in the machine. So it's going to cost you 16 per minute and it's going to mine for whatever time given. Now mind you, every minute is going to cost 1 fuel. So 1 fuel is for 1 minute. 1 minute is for 1 fuel. But the amount of your ACP varies, okay? So whatever you choose, whatever is being given here, as you can see on your display, is what is going to be consumed as you are using the machine. So when you select the one you want to use, I usually use the fast. So I come over here and click on fast. So with this amount I have, I'll be mining for just 30 minutes, okay? So come over here and click on the start auto faucet. Now you can see that my auto faucet is running. Click on it. You are going to see that the faucet has started, and I am currently mining cryptocurrencies for free from the comfort of my home and my devices. Now this is a cloud miner. You don't need to be here every time and just keep the website open like that. You can do other things if you want. You can quit the website and go and do your various needs, and the website will still be running on the cloud. Now let me just make a little demonstration of that so you can see. So I'm going to quit this. I have quit the website. So I quitted the website right now. Now I'm going to open the website again. Me opening the website again, you can see that my miner is running on the cloud. So you can see it's still running right here. So as soon as the fuel is consumed, the miner is going to stop automatically. Then I can click and collect reward. I can also stop it right now if I want to stop. In order for you to stop the miner, click on stop and collect, and it's going to stop and collect your earnings. Then you can tap on anywhere on the screen and it's going to bring you back to the dashboard. Now I have stopped the miner and this is my balance. Okay, now let me explain the activity point. The activity point is what you use to level up your account. Look at my account right now. I am on level 32. I am going over to level 33. I just need 1163 activity points to the next level, and each level gives you reward. If you look at the top, you can see that I have a bonus multiplier of 3 plus 2%. It means that whenever I mine cryptocurrencies, a bonus of 3.2% will be added on every minute mined. That is just how it is. Now, let me go over to the level rewards so that you can see how it looks like. If you go over to the rewards and level and scroll down, you are going to see the breakdowns of every reward on each level. Now, I am going over to level 33. I am currently on level 32, and this is the bonus that I received, the reward I received when I got to level 32. Now, when I get to level 33, I will be receiving this reward, and my multiplier is going to increase to 3.3, and I am going to have a maximum full capacity of my tank. So my fuel tank is going to be filled up. These are different levels. As soon as you click on all of these levels, you will be rewarded with whatever reward that awaits you on that level. So the more you level up your account, the higher your mining earnings are going to be, the higher your bonuses are going to be as well. So don't forget to click on this daily bonus to click on your daily bonus every day, every 24 hours. And also don't forget this 30 minutes faucet. This is one of the easiest way to get your free ACP. And also don't forget this PTC adverts. Now there are other ways like the surveys and the short links, but I'm not going to talk about that because I don't do the short links and I don't do the surveys. So if you do short links and surveys on your own hand, that's up to you. For me, I don't do surveys and I don't do short links. I only do the PTC ads, the faucet, the daily bonuses, and the task. And I come over here and I start my miner like this. After selecting the amount of payout boost I need, I click on the start button and that's it. I start mining just like that, all for free, without actually stressing myself on any other processes. Now, it has an affiliate market, and this affiliate process gives you 25%. Now, when you copy this link, this affiliate link, which I'll be leaving on the description of this video, and someone signs up with this link, you will be receiving 25% to your account whenever they do any of all of this and any of all of this mining. You will be having 25% directly to your account. So when anyone starts a faucet, you get 25%. When they view the PTC advert, you get 25%. When they click on the daily bonuses and the faucet, you get 25%. When they complete a task, you get 25%. So this 25% is unlimited. So how do you track your referrals? All you have to do is copy this link right here. This place you see copy. This is your referral link. You copy it and you send it to your friends and families on social media to actually use a link to sign up on this website, and you start getting this 25% commissions. Now, how do you track your referrals? You track your referral by coming over to this referral dashboard. Click on the referral dashboard. It's going to take you over to the referral dashboard. Now, this is the referral dashboard. I have 3 active referrals. I have referred a total of 26 people to the website, and this is my commission so far. So whatever commissions you have from your referral is going to be on this place, and the maximum you can feel is $100. Now on my referral chest, I have gotten 0.13 cents. I can decide to claim it to my balance. I can decide to leave it. So it's up to you. And these are all of my referrals, as you can see below. And that's just how it is. I've got 3 active referrals right now, which are currently mining, and so I'm having my 25% just as it is. So that is how it is, guys. You can use to mine free cryptocurrency all for free from the comfort of your home. Now let me explain how this auto claim works. The fuel is what you use to mine the machine. This auto faucet machine that is running is using the fuel. 1 fuel equals to 1 minute. So 1 minute is equal to 1 fuel. So as soon as 1 minute is out, one fuel is going to be out, and the amount of ACP budgeted is going to be out as well. So as soon as this fuel finishes, it's going to give you to collect your bonus and your earnings. So you are going to collect all of that by clicking on this button. So if you do not have any fuel and you have ACP, you cannot mine without the fuel. So you need the fuel to run the engine, and you need the ACP point tokens in order for you to convert the cryptos, the cryptocurrencies. So that's just how it is. So make sure you always get fuel. In order for you to get fuel, I already showed you on the video earlier, by clicking on the faucet every 30 minutes, by coming over to the daily rewards, by clicking on the PTC ads. By clicking on the PTC ads is one of my favorite. You come over here, you view this advert for just few seconds, wait for the countdown to finish. As soon as the countdown is off, it's going to give you the human verification. Type in whatever captcha or code you see on your screen, just like that, and it's going to give you your amount of ACP. So I have earned 60 ACP just by completing that. And if I go over to the dashboard, you are going to see it right on my account, and I'm currently mining for free on the cloud. So that's just how it is, guys. I hope you understand. Whatever you don't understand, leave all your queries on the comments, and I'll be there to answer all of your queries. Okay, so don't forget to click on the link on the description of this video so that you can sign up today and get started. Okay, so if you like this video, kindly hit on the subscribe button of this channel, like and share this video to your friends and families on social media. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post videos like this. So on our upcoming videos, I'm going to talk more about this platform, and I'm going to show you ways that you can use to withdraw your money from this account to your direct wallet of your choice. Alright, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Peace out.